hope that showed up on camera. That was crazy. You guys see that? He's making a cup of tea, and dang, that thing was really rocking. It's really windy today too. You see that fireball come up? That was nuts. Jeez. I honestly didn't expect that. Just doing some tea. Of course, I just dropped my spoon because, you know, why not? With some honey. Oh, and I got something else. I'm trying the squeezer. I had a viewer send this to me. Thank you, brother. And the idea is get your honey packet here. See if I do this right. You place your food in here, and you just pretty cold out here, so seemed to work pretty well. Pushed all the honey out, well, majority of it. I'm a 2 tea bag kind of guy. I like it a little thicker, a little stronger. Let that steep for a moment. But there you go, 1 cup of tea. Cold out here too. Oof. It is, well, it's cold for me. It's chilly. Can you get some lunch going here? More warm food in the belly. Alright, well, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Well, some quick final thoughts here. I mean, it worked great. Problem is that the butane, it's like there was so much pressure that it, I had it on low only, and it was like high for the other containers. You know, it was really ripping it on low. And I still got quite a bit left too. I'm really gonna have to dial it in and get it worked out. So it's a really cool setup. I love the setup on it, but gonna have to really. So I got a little cheese on my thing. I'm gonna get out of here because the wind is just obnoxious. Pack it up and beat feet. Okay. So, this is about a week later. I shot a bunch of footage here a week ago, and I wanted to talk about this real quick. And this notch here, if you can see this notch right here has to be up when you put the can on its side. Hence the big flare up and the amount of fuel that was pumping out of this. I didn't know that at the time. I talked to my buddy, Real 11T. I said, you know, hey, look at this. I posted it on the Stovaholics page on Facebook, and they're like, yeah, you got to have the notch up because there's a hose that's down inside. The hose actually comes up like this. Let's see if I can roll in the photo, but the hose will actually come up, and so what's happening is while it's on its side, or if the notch is down or on its side, it's pumping pure liquid fuel, hence the more intense flame. And then if you put it up, then you're getting gas. So that was the explanation that I received. So I'm going to hook it up here, and I'm going to show you a quick burn, because I'm going to make a hot drink before I get rolling on another video. Okay, can's up on its, let's see if we can zoom in on that. Sorry, I gotta fiddle with the camera, but I want you guys to be able to see this. Okay, get a nice zoom in. Okay. I'm a little nervous about it going. So now that the flame is going, turn up the fuel a little bit, as you can see. So it cranks. Now I'm going to turn it really far down. And now we're going to turn the can on its side. You guys can see the difference. So here's the notch. See that? And now it's going back down because all the liquid fuel is burnt off. So then if you put it up, so the notch is up. See that? I didn't know this, so a little surprise for me. Now we'll turn on its side. See that? That's crazy. So, what are you gonna do? You know, live and learn. I'm actually really glad now that it flared up like that. I'm glad that it did that, because now I can show you what's up. You guys can see it. So, you know, new stove, hadn't used it before, hadn't used butane before. And so if you guys are going to be switching over, if you're going to switch over, don't make the mistake I did. And yeah. Cool. Well, alrighty, as always, I thank you for watching. You know, feel free to comment, you know, whatever questions in the description or comments below.